Don't get much closer than that, guys.
I have a Chevy Key Fob here. Maybe your battery's dead and you need to replace it. All you're gonna do is you're gonna see this button here. You'll just push in on that button and then that will slide out and your key will come out. Once you have that key out, you're just gonna take your key and you're gonna see this little dark gap right here. You just put it in there and you'll just twist. And then you can just work that key fob apart. And you'll see your battery right there. This is a 2450. You'll just put your key in there and then pry it out. You'll put a new battery in. So just tuck it down and under. Put it in place there. Then when you want to put it back together, you're just going to take the fat end. You're going to get that started first. Get that into place. And then you'll just squeeze this key fob down. Make sure it's connected. And then you'll just finish off by placing your key back in. Hopefully that helps you replace your key. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.